How to change your nickname in the finals. Let's get started. First, I will visit the official website reachthefinals.com, where I click on the Embark portal. The next step is to log into the Embark portal. You can log in using Steam, PlayStation or Xbox. Since I play the finals on Steam, I'm going to choose the Steam login. Next, log into your account. If you are unsure of your username, simply open the Steam app on your PC, click on your profile picture, then go to the account details, and here you can copy your username or, even better, your Steam ID. For a quicker login, you can also use the QR code with your Steam mobile app. After logging in, you will see your display name here. Just click on Edit and now you can change your display name to something cool and better. Remember, you can change your name every 30 days, so make sure you choose a nickname that fits you well. Usually I don't do gaming tutorials on this channel, but if this video helps you out, I can upload more from time to time. Thanks for watching, GG, and have a great day. Bye bye.